Hello, therapy talkers. Oh wait, I don't need this to talk to you guys. So, I've had a long day. I am currently in Miami, Florida. I'm in my car and I left Oregon yesterday at 6 p.m. and caught a number of flights to get to Miami at 9 a.m. Well, I am gonna go meet my sister. She got here a day or so before I did. And what she doesn't know is I will be vlogging on this trip, but I'm gonna interview her. She's a chef and I wanna know what it's like for her as a chef to do chef things, you know? So get excited. Here's another vlog. Tammy is not here, but that's okay. We can't be together all the time. All right, I'm really tired. I should probably get some like sunglasses, get this show started, right? Because in the words of LMFAO, if you don't know who they are, I'm in Miami. Insert. Seems like I made it. Hello, Chef Josey. So you don't know this, but I told therapy talkers that even though we're here on vacation, I'm actually here to interview you as a chef. Really? If that's okay with you, we'll like to hear from you.
Yes,
Whoa, you booked a beautiful place, chef.
Thank you.
Oh, ooh la la. Or actually, I should be speaking Spanish. We're getting a house tour from the chef.
So this is the main bedroom.
Okay.
And then over here, we have the bathroom.
The bathroom.
And it has a bidet.
A bahoo?
A bidet. I haven't figured out how to use it yet, but
That sounds fun.
that's it. And the shower.
Look at the shower head. Here for it.
There's 2 shower heads.
Oh, 2. Let's
Yep.
get in there. Let's get into it. Oh, yeah. Self-care. Today is, what day is it? I'm
Today
so
is
confused.
Thursday, April the 1st.
Oh, April Fools.
Yep. And this is our mini kitchen.
Oh, a
And
kitchenette.
The fridge, which I bought some snacks. There's not much going on here.
You know, this is quaint
The main
as.
seating area. The living room and dining room.
Look at it. What is this?
I don't know.
Is this
kind of
hide?
a cow. Yeah, I actually touched it today.
Interesting. What's behind this door?
I think it's a storage area.
Okay.
I haven't been there. And look, yesterday my friend gave me an authentic rum from Haiti.
From Haiti.
Yep.
Where?
Haitian.
What does your friend do?
He's actually a chef.
Ah.
So I met him a few years back on a restaurant opening at the Grand Lux.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay.
So you may like this because you know I'm not really a drinker.
And who says I'm a drinker? Now,
And this is the best part of the house. Are you ready?
I'm ready, I think. All right, therapy talkers. Stick with me. Holy moly. Holy macaroni.
Yep.
Yep. Definitely gonna self-care. We're right in front of is that a canal?
Yeah, it's a canal.
Holy mac. Look at
This
this.
is what sold me to this.
To this area.
Yep.
Okay, we will get out there. But I see a hammock.
Good for the daytime naps.
Daytime naps. Y'all, I'm here to check out. Which is kind of contradictory because I'm going to be vlogging. But y'all know what I mean. Yes. So, I know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be sitting right here, minding my business. And minding my business. What have you seen since being out here?
Ducks, lots of cats, lizards, and there are also manatees.
Manatees?
But I haven't seen them visually. You can tell when they're in there because They have like
here?
Yeah, you can tell like they have a not a blowhole, but something comes up. I don't know.
Let's call it a blowhole.
Okay, a blowhole. But I guess they're too shy to come out.
They're shy, huh?
But and then I saw a lizard this morning. Like they run really fast on the river, like a Jesus lizard.
Jesus. Those are a basilisk lizard.
They're super fast.
Jesus. If you know, you know. Jesus has done it first. So, Chef, what do you have planned for this trip? Because you told me you were coming.
Yep.
And showed me your itinerary, and I was like, why would I not show up? So I didn't plan anything. So what are we doing?
Since you're here, it's 11:30 right now. I figured by 12:30 we go out, go for lunch at the Bayside. It's like a supermarket. It has like yachts. They have tours, boat rides, restaurants. So we could grab some lunch, and then at 3 p.m. we're doing a speedboat tour, and that's one thing I'm really looking forward to.
Speedboat tour.
Get a little thrill going on. And then
what is
we
one
go
where?
to South Point Park after the speedboat tour. It's like a really calm place to go. You could have picnics and just chill. I think you really like that part.
Okay.
That's about it.
I'm excited. Let's get ready then.
Okay.
So we just finished our speedboat fun ride. How was it, Chef?
It was awesome. Thrilling.
Oh yeah, that's a good word.
Felt really nice.
Yeah, now we're hungry. But we're gonna eat at some point, I think.
Yeah. Let's go this way first.
Oh, it's a good time. Good time, and the sun is much needed. It's actually warm, kind of shiny a little bit, as you can tell, because it's warm, but it's a good warm. I think April is a very good time to be somewhere south, somewhere in the Caribbean, somewhere warm. Where are we actually?
Park.
South Point Park.
Yes. It's a really nice, calm park with palm trees, areas for picnics, and they have yachts on that side for renting.
Ah.
Yep.
Could you
So
answer this question for us, since I said I'm gonna be interviewing you? Why is self-care important?
Self-care. Well, you have to do it for yourself, for one.
Emphasis on self?
Yes, and you can't be your best self if you don't take care of yourself
Oh.
from the inside out.
Ooh.
So to be a better friend, a better sister, a better daughter, you have to take care of yourself mentally. And then it shows out.
Bam. And there you have it, folks. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
Good morning. We are driving to the Tampa area. We left our place around, was it 5 something? Got coffee. And the current time, 7:20.
checking whether my customer would like it or not.
Oh, if it's good enough.
Yes, but most of the time, actually, yes, most of the time, most of them end up liking it. But sometimes I just overthink, and then I end up having anxiety. Like this past year, it got worse because I got to the point where I started shaking. Like wow. That's the worst it ever got. Okay. But eventually, I learned to prioritize myself and get things done in day by day rather than just doing everything at once. So that helped a lot, and it helped me a lot with that. So anxiety, I don't really get it as much as I used to anymore because I've learned to control it.
Okay. So like something I hear is you saying like time as well. Yes. So like prioritizing and like time management helps you manage your anxiety.
Yes. Less procrastination, like not waiting last minute to get supplies or to plan things. And writing things down helps me a lot too.
Okay. So, okay. Yeah. That's a good tip. Writing things down, time management. Yes. Definitely, I would agree, can help manage anxiety. And so like with the cake orders then, like you mentioned not feeling like your customers would like the cakes or even love the cakes. Mm-hmm. Where are you at with that now?
Oh, it's really good. I think most of the time it's just me just having too much higher expectation of myself and doubting myself sometimes. So it's like even though I see it and sometimes I don't like it, because I just keep making up reasons not to like it, but my customers always like it. Okay. So I try not to think negative of myself.
Okay. So
yeah. And most people don't know that actually when I make cakes. So.
Yeah. Well, now we know it, right?
Yep.
There's a lot of anxiety in creating things and showing what you've created, right? Because I bet your cakes is an extension of you in a sense. It's your creativity.
Yes, for sure.
In art form.
Yes.
Thank you, Chef. So we made it hours later, but we're here. And we made it here to visit this lovely lady. Would you like to be on my YouTube channel? Do I have permission?
Yes, I give permission.
Thank you. And then Chef Josey is enjoying herself. How are you feeling, Chef?
I'm feeling really good.
How was my driving?
It was terrible.
Okay, cool. We're gonna move on.
Right there.
Okay, ready?
Yum.
Actually,
we're here on the beach, ready to go, kind of. Check this out, y'all.
Oh, you're recording.
I am. Is that okay, Chef?
Yes, that's fine.
Everyone's just here. Look at baby Lyndon. Beach bum.
Woohoo!
Living his best life. Naps are good. So we're gonna sign out for a while, but we'll check out with y'all or check in with y'all later, maybe, don't know. Self-care Friday. Good Friday indeed. Hello, still here. The water was not warm. It was extremely cold. However, the sun, let's see, can we find the sun? Nope, can't find the sun. Anyway, it's here. Oh, that's because it's right above me. It's warmer, it's getting warmer. There are more people out. Let's check them out. And wait. Guess who's still hanging out? Baby Lyndon. Definitely living his best life. People are still out. It's Good Friday. A good Friday indeed. What's the name of this town? Dunedin. The city of Dunedin. It's so quaint. What was that? You see a dog? Say hello to YouTube. Can you wave? Lyndon. Friend. Can you wave? Can you wave like this? Say hi. Or you can ignore us. Alright, Lyndon, I think we're gonna end it here. I'm tired. You're just annoyed with me. Chef Josey, thank you for interviewing with us.
It's been awesome.
Has it?
Yes.
Will you come back?
I will. I'll think about it, actually.
She's totally coming back. Lindsay, thank you for giving us an awesome tour
Welcome.
of your favorite city in Florida.
Have to come back.
Will do. Vlog done, and Lyndon is like, okay, all right.
Lyndon is
Over me. Like, he's done.
sit there.
Totally understand.
That goes his
Oh,
she's
Josephine has it. Well, thanks for watching, and come back soon. Leave comments, subscribe, and share. Bye. So I know we ended earlier, but I remembered something. So we're driving back. That's what I remembered, to tell y'all we're driving back to Miami. Josey, Chef Josey, actually leaves. Why do you look like that? You frustrated? She doesn't want to leave. She heads back to her home tomorrow morning. I actually have one more day, but I'm not going to be recording my day because I don't want to, and I don't have to, and it's my time just to not be on my phone, on the camera. So just want to let y'all know that, yeah, we're headed back, and thank you for watching, and extremely tired but extremely happy, taking the time off to relax and things like that. Like, watch this. People are just living their best life out here, and I understand. I get it. So, whatever you do, live your best life. Take time off. Chef Josey talked about self-care and the importance of it. And she talked to us about anxiety and how she's managed it and still continues to struggle with it, right?
Yep.
She's totally over being in the car with me. Best sister ever. Okay, bye for now, for real this time.